there are 5 rooms in this house. How much rooms are there? How many rooms are in the 5? Few people can remain hungry. So few is the example of adjective number. There are the no books in this room. No is also example of the number. All is the example of the number. Most of these mangoes are ripe. So example, adjective of number answers the question, how many? How many, how much? What kind for quality? What kind for quality? How much for quantity? How many for number? अब इस चीज को डिफरेंस को याद रखना, नंबर और क्वांटिटी को. हाउ मेनी, इट्स कम, अगर हम हाउ मेनी के थ्रू आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं, इट्स कॉल्ड अ एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. And how much, it's for the answer of the quantity. Quantity, how much, and number, how many. Now next one is interrogative. आपने प्रोनाउन पढ़ा था, इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन. इंट्रोगेटिव का मतलब ये आपको समझ आ जाता होगा कि इट्स टू आस्क अबाउट द क्वेश्चन. एन एडजेक्टिव व्हिच, व्हेन और व्हाट यूज्ड with noun to ask a question, it's called a interrogative adjective. जब हम कभी adjective में question put up करते हैं, what के through, which के through, when के through, it's called a interrogative adjective. Which umbrella is yours? What movie are you watching? Which plant should be placed over here? आप ये देखो इस चीज को, umbrella, movie, plant, all are the examples of a adjective. Quality for what kind? Oh no, students enter in the class. Just a 1 minute. I'd like to tell you one thing. Please try to be entered in the class on the time. No need to disturb every time. And first of all, switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. It's Sahil, Drishti, Janvi, Chitresh, Arnav, me, Vishal, Tanmay, Saurav. It's clear? Quality. Quality shows the kind of thing, and you can identify by what kind. Number second was quantity, how much or things means. I ate some rice. Some is an example of the adjective. He had a little intelligence. So little is an example of the quantity adjective. Adjective of quantity answers how much. Adjective of number is answered by how many. The hat has 5 fingers. Few cats like a cold water. The few is an example of adjective number. All men must die. Boys like is an example of adjective number. Then we have discussed the interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective is the name to ask a question. To ask the question what, which, and when. What manner is a man is he? Which way shall we go? Which way shall we go? Whose book is this? Clear? Now the last one is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. You know that in the pronoun we have discussed to indicate the person or thing. Two ways, far and near. Plural and singular form. याद आ गया होगा I think pronoun. अब in demonstrative adjective जो directly indicate a person or few people, few things. It's called a demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative words pronoun that, though, these, and this. Same in this demonstrative adjective. Example of demonstrative adjective, the sentence देखो, give me that blue water bottle. So that I have indicated that water bottle. That is the adjective of demonstrative. This time I won't fail you. I want those gorgeous marbles. Those is example of demonstrative adjective. I cannot forget that incident. So that is the example of demonstrative adjective. Did you having a problem in the types of adjective? Suman? Suman?
Yes,
did you having a problem?
मैम मेरे पास प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैं आपने जो ना सोशल साइंस का होमवर्क वो मैंने कर लिया.
बेटा एक बात बोलो, देखो आप सबको एक सजेशन दे रही हूँ. प्लीज फोकस ऑन दैट सब्जेक्ट जो अभी चल रहा है राइट नाउ. If you want to discuss your SST, you will discuss on that class. No need this regarding this topic. Okay? Next time, be careful for that. It's very good if you have done your work. Very nice. Rhythm? Rhythm? Angel, Rhythm? Please mute yourself. Angel?
Yes,
Did you having a problem?
मैम adjectives मैम एक बार और एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए आप.
किसको सॉरी बेटा?
मैम प्लीज एक्सप्लेन अगेन demonstrative.
Demonstrative adjective. Okay. Sahil? साहिल
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
हाँ
मैम आपने सिक्स करवाए एग्जेक्टिव्स के टाइप।
6 करवा दिए, आपकी बुक में तो 5 ही आए थे ना, 4 या 5 ही हैं।
तो मैम बुक में 7 दे रखे हैं।
उसमें आपकी उसमें इंग्लिश इसमें दे रखे होंगे रन मार्टिन में। पॉजेसिव होगा एक और
मैम
इंडिकेटर।
पेज नंबर क्या है?
पेज नंबर 108।
तो 108 पे there is only the number, interrogative, quality, number, quantity, possessive. Yes or no? Read the types of adjective in your workbook.
Proper adjective,
Proper adjective,
descriptive adjectives, quantitative adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, distributive
एक बार
adjectives.
बताओ, just tell me one thing. I have taught you the noun. याद है आपको noun and pronoun पढ़ाए थे मैंने?
Yes, ma'am.
पर्सनल एंड प्रॉपर नाउन को मैंने डिस्क्राइब, एक आपने पढ़ते पर्सनल प्रॉपर टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन पढ़े थे हमने।
यस मैम।
पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, प्रॉपर प्रोनाउन एंड कौन कौन से थे? जस्ट टेल मी द आंसर।
Ma'am, personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, and possessive.
And the types of noun? Types of noun? The types of noun. Proper and common पढ़ा था हमने?
Yes, ma'am.
Proper for the particular name of the person or specific, and common means the general way. That we have discussed that.
Yes, ma'am.
और मैंने इस चीज को आपको मॉडिफाई किया था। आपको अब हमने बेसिकली हमेशा ऐसे पढ़ा है, कॉमन, प्रॉपर, कलेक्टिव, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, नंबर, नाउन तरीके से रीड किया था हमेशा इस तरीके पर। आई हैव जस्टिफाइड दैट नाउन इनटू 2 टाइप्स, कॉमन एंड प्रॉपर नाउन। फिर कॉमन नाउन के आई हैव डिस्कस द कलेक्टिव, फिर उसमें एब्स्ट्रैक्ट में काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल, फिर काउंटेबल नाउन में हम जेंडर वी हैव डिस्कस्ड, देन कॉमन नाउन में जेंडर, फिर केस नाउन। सेम इन दिस सेक्शन आपने जो पढ़ा है ना, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव, इंट्रोगेटिव, क्वांटिटी, क्वालिटी, ये वर्ड्स को डिस्क्राइब या मॉडिफाई करते हैं। ओके?
Thank you, ma'am.
आस्था,
Ma'am, can you explain me demonstrative adjective?
I'm repeating it again, don't worry. Abhi,
यस मैम।
any problem?
नो मैम, हो गया मैम डाउट।
Vidushi? विदुषी?
Ma'am,
हाँ
मुझे पुक्की लैंग्वेज
विदुषी, I am not able to listen you properly. Can you speak it again?
मैम आप मुझे पुक्की लैंग्वेज समझाएंगे कि डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव।
कुकी लैंग्वेज मतलब?
मैम जो बुक में लिखा हुआ है।
बेटा मैंने क्या बोला है, बुक में लिखा हुआ, जस्ट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू कैन राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड। मैंने कहीं भी बुक से डेफिनेशन दी होगी, आपने देखा होगा तो। I have taken a very easy notes for you that you are able to understand. आपकी बुक की लैंग्वेज है दिव्या? रैन मार्टिन की बुक में अलग डेफिनेशन दे रखी होंगी। हाँ विदुषी, I will explain you the demonstrative adjective again, don't worry. Rishika, Rashika, not able to listen you.
मैम descriptive adjective।
Sorry?
Descriptive adjective का मीन्स क्या होता है?
Descriptive.
Yes, ma'am.
I will explain you the 4-5 topics that are remaining. I will explain it. Till to 5 topics. Did you have clear? Abhi next topic. Quality. In your pronoun में हमने किसी चीज को पढ़ा था to indicate about the person and thing. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the meaning of adjective? A word which modify or describe about the noun or pronoun. यही meaning होता है? Same? Demonstrative, देखो, a word that directly indicates a person or thing, or few people or few things. किसी के बारे में हम इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं, उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं, उसके थ्रू इंडिकेशन कर रहे हैं. We are near and far. इंडिकेशन करेंगे हम डायरेक्टली पर्सन, ये चीज के बारे में, पर्सन और थिंग और पीपल. तो give me that blue water bottle. So that is an example. Blue water bottle. It's an example. I cannot forget this incident. So those people were mean to her. The point of which person or thing इसके बारे में हम लोगों की जिस थिंग के बारे में करते हैं या उसके बारे में इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं, हम पूछ रहे हैं, या वी आर डिस्क्राइबिंग अबाउट दैट ब्लू वाटर बॉटल. वो जो ब्लू वाटर बॉटल, उस चीज को मॉडिफाई, नाउन को मॉडिफाई किया है उस ब्लू वाटर बॉटल. These books are useful. Books are the example of noun. So these are the example of the demonstrative adjective. Main thing you have to remember, when we indicate the person, a few directly, but that, those and this and these. देखो हमने pronoun pronoun describe कर रहे थे, indicate कर रहे थे, far and near. Yes? So to show the indicate अपना demonstrative pronoun represent a thing. तो represent करके person कहेंगे. This taste is a good. This taste is a good. That is a beautiful. So that is a beautiful example of the pronoun. अब noun को या pronoun को modify कर रही है. That blue water bottle. Those people were mean. Yeah. I'm sharing you a book exercise. Just solve the book exercise. A question solve karo, then you are able to understand demonstrative, quality, quantity, number. जब तक हम exercise solve नहीं करेंगे ना, we are not supposed to understand the grammar. Please open your book. I don't know the page. I'm just reading the question. Do you having the form these now? Asta, did you have English book? English book. Asta,
Yes, ma'am.
just read the exercise first in your workbook.
Ma'am, this exercise.
बेटा रीड करो, फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन रीड करो. विच इज एक्सरसाइज इज द फर्स्ट आपकी बुक में, मेरे पास कौन सी बुक है? रीड इट.
Where is the blank dash blank?
रीड करो आस्था बेटा.
Ma'am, where is the dash blank?
Where is the dash blank?
Yes, ma'am.
And question, what you have to do in this workbook?
From the given alternatives, select the most appropriate choices to fill in the blanks.
Okay. First question है, read करो, question read करो.
Where is the dash blank?
Option A,
Near, nearer, nearest, more near.
तो अभी देखो, it is an example of degree of adjective, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Till now we didn't have studied the degree of adjective,
No, ma'am.
but we will solve this exercise, don't worry. Okay? Nearest, answer will be nearest.
No one can be dash as Dara Singh. Option is strong, as strong, go strongest.
So as strong.
As strong.
Again,
No one can be dash as Dara Singh. Strong.
देखो, no one as,
No one can be.
no one can be as strong as Dara Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
So first we will discuss the degree of adjective. Anyone else exercise of this workbook? Read the next exercise of your next page. Types of adjectives are there.
No, ma'am.
Assignment C16, which exercise is this? Paragraph? I think it is an error exercise, no?
Ma'am, his page number is 188.
Because my book is different from your books. Just if you will read the question, I will supposed to give you the answer for that.
Ma'am, only one exercise is there.
Only adjective, only single exercise is there.
Yes, ma'am.
No
Only
extra
this.
exercises.
No, ma'am.
And what about the C16 exercise?
C16.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Just read that question.
A little boy ran over.
A little boy ran over. So, इसमें I think you have to identify the error. ये preposition की exercise है क्या? You have to remove the error in this exercise. Can you share this? मुझे screen share कर सकते हो anyone?
Ma'am, the screen. Ma'am, you disabled the screen sharing.
Okay. Suman, you will share the screen to me. I'm giving you permission to share the screen. Okay? Just share the screen. Workbook. Diana. One student at a time, please share the screen of your workbook. Adjective workbook exercise. Sahil. With a blank page is there, Sahil. There is no question. Please share me the workbook exercise. Amandeep, do it.
Ma'am, the screen option is not there.
Beta, I have given you the permission. Amandeep, come on, do it. Janvi. Beta, I am getting a blank page from your side. This one. I think who have shared that screen. Just a 1 minute, beta. Rhythm, 1 minute. No need. Rhythm. Beta, please, one at a person. Rhythm, share the. Only first. Now stop. Stop, everyone. It is a question about. Okay, beta, 1 minute. I have get. See exercise. In the passage given below, a one word.
इसको ठंड लग रही है.
In the passage given below, a one word is omitted in each line. The line word is missing. So this exercise you have will done chapter number 4 of your English workbook, adjective. Yes. Chapter number 4, page number 118.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So before we have to do, क्या करना है देखो. इससे पहले आपकी वर्कबुक में having a page, I think adjective on 125. 125, then it's having a degree of Beta, please stop sharing the screen now. In your workbook, आपकी जो इंग्लिश की वर्कबुक, अमनदीप, in your English workbook on the page number 118. Yes, 118 page number है ना आपकी वर्कबुक में. Number 4 of adjective. So we have discussed the definition, the types of adjective. We have only discussed the quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, interrogative. But in your workbook, they are having a 7 types of adjective. Numbers, proper adjective formed by the proper noun. मैंने क्या बताया था? What the proper noun means? The proper noun means for the particular name of the person or thing. Same in this, the types of adjective. Proper adjective means describe the noun referring a proper, जो proper noun के बारे में ये उस चीज को modify करे. Proper noun. Suppose the name of the Rome Empire, the French song. Descriptive adjective is a quality or condition of the noun. Descriptive का मतलब होता है किसी चीज की क्वालिटी और कंडीशन बताना. जो मैंने आपको बता दिया है. एक्स्ट्रा कौन सा क्वालिटी बताई थी टॉपिक में? I have told you the quality adjective. Same, it is a descriptive adjective. Quantity, shows the quantity of degree of the noun. How much, any, little, none, some, enough, all being together in a category. Demonstrative to point out, किसी के बारे में हम point out कर रहे हैं उसमें modify करने के लिए. Suppose these apples are delicious. तो apple क्या है? Noun है. और these apples, so we have indicate, we have modified, we have described. अब कैसी है वो apples? These, कौन सी apples? These apples. Modify किया, describe किया. Distributive, either denote of one person thing out of whole group. Distributive pronoun हमने जो पढ़ा था, distributive, each, either, neither, none, all, because they refers to a person or thing one at a time. जब हम एक बारे में, एक व्यक्ति, एक person के बारे में एक समय में बात कर रहे हैं, one at a time. Okay? Interrogative to ask the questions. Then next types of adjective we will discuss in our next class. I am giving you the homework. Just take a screenshot of one exercise. You will do that in your copy. You have to arrange the sentence.
This page.
No, but I'm giving Mr. 1 minute. This page. This page. Just take a screenshot of that. You have to order of the adjective exercise. जैसे we wanted dash table. You have to arrange the sentence. We wanted a gray metal table. Okay. We wanted a gray metal table. You have to arrange those words in a proper manner. Ten examples you will do in your copy. We will discuss our next problems in your next class. Please revise it and do your work on time in a good handwriting. Angel? Angel?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
मैम जो नोट्स है मैम वो जो आपने शो करे थे उसके स्क्रीनशॉट लेने थे ना
बेटा
Ma'am.
आप, हाँ, you can do one thing. You having your books?
यस मैम
You can prepare your own notes also. First you have to do, you have to write. मैंने आपको previous class में क्या बताया था? You have to write the heading of the lesson. Suppose you have written an adjective definition example. Now you will do today. You will write a second topic, the kinds of adjective or the types of adjective. Yes, we have discussed the 5 types today. Number,
वैसे मैम मैं खुद बना सकती हूँ नोट्स
sorry.
मैम बुक में से खुद बना सकते हैं नोट्स
You can.
ओके मैम
Number, demonstrative, interrogative, quality, quantity. Okay. Then you will do this exercise in your copy of adjective, exercise number 1 of ordering the sentences.
तो मैम जो भी आपने फोर एडजेक्टिव्स करवा दिए मैम फुल एडजेक्टिव्स के बाद वो एक्सरसाइज करके फिर
Yes.
आगे
Yes.
एडजेक्टिव फिर लिखना है उनके नोट्स.
हाँ. We will continue in the next class about those topics are left. Then we will study the degree of adjective. First, we will complete the types of adjective. Okay, I think Muskan ma'am is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Just take a break for the 5-7 minutes and come back. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Just come back after 5 minutes.
Ma'am, we will leave the class.
Nahin. No need to leave the class. Just switch on your camera and come back.
Okay, ma'am.
अपने सिस्टम को मत छेड़ो, जो जहां है वो रखे रहना. And be ready with your science book and copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Muskan ma'am. Muskan ma'am. Muskan ma'am. Good morning, Muskan ma'am.
Morning. Very good morning, ma'am. Actually, I was not the co-host, so I was not able to abuse
Okay,
myself.
हाँ.
Good morning, ma'am.
Akshi, ma'am, I'm here for that.
Okay, ma'am. Shall I
Okay.
leave the class?
Yeah, you may.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, all of you. Just take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
You guys may take a break. Akshi, ma'am has extended the class for 15 minutes more, so you may take a break of 5 minutes.
Ma'am. Good
Very
morning,
good
ma'am.
to all of you. You guys want to take a break of 5 minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, at 10:10 I'll start with you. Till then, you guys don't check your systems. को कुछ मत छेड़िएगा. You may go and have water if you want. At 10:10 exactly, I'll start.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Till then, if anybody is having any doubt, they may ask to me. Yes,
Ma'am, I
Angel.
have a doubt.
Yes, Angel. You may ask बेटा.
Excuse me, ma'am. मैम जो उस दिन मॉक टेस्ट हुआ था ना, मैम वो मैंने सबमिट तो कर दिया था, बट
Okay.
मैम उसके जब स्कोर आए थे तो मैम वो 17 थे, बट मैम वो जो पोटैटो किसका एडिबल पार्ट है मैम, वो रूट्स का भी होता है और स्टेम का भी होता है.
STEM.
तो
It's only STEM. It's only STEM.
मैम बट बुक में रूट्स का भी दिया है.
STEM. Okay. So you must have attempted 3 questions wrong. That's why you have scored 70.
यस
Right.
मैम, बट बुक में भी रूट्स और स्टेम दोनों का दिया है.
You must have got the correct answer also along with that. Okay. Next will be now today going to start with the next chapter only, fiber to fabric. Whenever you will get the proper timetable and proper schedule for your test, I'll take your test. Paper is ready with me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Take-
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Astha.
मैम जो आपने मॉक टेस्ट दिया था, मैम मैंने साइन इन कर लिया था, पर फिर जब मैंने उसको करा तो मैम वो डिसेबल्ड हो गया था.
Why?
मैम ऐसा होस्ट इज डिसेबल्ड दिस टेस्ट.
पहले होगा जब वो नहीं, मैंने तो लॉक ही नहीं किया था. At what time you submitted your paper? During the class time only, ना?
नो मैम, मैम जब हो गई थी मैम एंडेड हो गई थी क्लास.
कोई बात नहीं, तब भी मैंने लॉक नहीं किया था. I locked that paper around I think 12 or 12:15 after finishing all my classes.
Yes, ma'am. I submit on 11:30.
Okay. I haven't logged that because you guys were not able to submit that on that time, na, due to connectivity issue. That's why I have logged that paper later on. Around 12:15.
Yes, ma'am. You said that I
I'm
don't.
going to provide you extra time. So save your net. That's why we keep on asking you, na, don't play games, don't use mobile a lot, don't use your net, just save your net. Okay.
Yes, you said that.
Yes, we were asking you to save water, save electricity. Now save your net also. That is also an important thing for today.
Yes, ma'am.
2 minutes more to start our class and then I'll start.
Yes, ma'am. You said that in the class you don't log this test.
Yeah, around 12 o'clock I have logged. But next time when you will be having the PT one, I will log it on time.
Yes, ma'am. Please take attendance.
Everybody, keep your videos on.
I'm gonna show you my copy.
Okay, you may. Who want to show? Angel?
Ma'am, Astha.
Asta? Okay, Asta, you may. Would you like to share your screen and or just like here only you are going to show me?
Ma'am, in back camera.
Okay, through back camera you are going to show me. All right.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Let me search for you, Asta.
Ma'am, it's blurred.
Okay, Asta, you may turn.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am,
Wait,
can we
Asta,
make
wait. Asta, wait. It's not properly visible to me. Asta, wait.
Ma'am, can we make a PDF of chapters and we can Gmail to you?
Actually, still I'm neither the host nor the co-host now. That's why I'm not able to do anything over here. It's okay. Okay, fine. You may turn.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Angel. What happened?
Ma'am, can we make PDF of chapter 1 and 2? We can Gmail to you.
You have made the PDF of chapter 1 and 2, which you have done in your copy.
Yes, ma'am, and we will Gmail to you.
Okay, you may.